Hello friends, in this video I show you if you damage your bank card or lost your bank card, how to replace your card online. Use DigiBank. Okay, let's see, I show you. So first friends, you log in your DBS or POSB iBanking. Click here. And here you see option replace and block card. Just simply click here. And here have two options, my card is damaged and my card is lost. If your card is damaged, you click here damage, or if your card is lost, so you click here my card is lost. So I lost my card, so I click here. Click here proceed. So I have two card, Visa card or Passion card. So my Visa card I lost already. Click here and click here block now. So my card blocked already. You see here downside replace card now. Click here. So here you writing your name. So I writing ready name. Then click to next. And click here replace card. So my replace card application submit ready. So you see here you will receive the new card in 3 to 5 days. So friends, when you submit your application, so you receive by post your new card. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.